everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute hat. Make a slip knot and chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and continue. I made 78 chains in here like this. 56 centimeter. I have 56 centimeter. In here you can measure these chains around your hat and increase and decrease 2 chains. You have your foundation chain work, being careful not to twist the chain. A slip stitch. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to next chain like this. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches in this round. Insert your hook into chain, pull up yarn, pull through and make 1 double crochet in each stitch for this round. Make 1 double crochet stitch in last chain like this. Insert your hook into chains, pull through. Go to this stitch, pull up yarn, a slip stitch. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. Take this stitch, first stitch on your hook like this I show. Insert your hook into this hole, take this stitch on your hook, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, yarn over, take second stitch on your hook from back. Insert your hook into this hole like this. Take this stitch on your hook and slip and stitch from here like this. Take a stitch on your hook, pull up yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, make 1 double crochet from back. Make 1 double crochet around this stitch, pull through and continue like this. slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains and continue same as before round. Insert your hook into this stitch, make 1 double crochet around this stitch from front and make 1 double crochet from back side. Run this stitch like this, make 1 double crochet and continue. Make 1 slip knot and join top of hat together. Insert your hook into this stitch, make 1 single crochet in first stitch and a slip stitch and join 2 sides together, a slip stitch, a slip stitch and continue.